Nobody can beat me today.
So many fun games!
Let's play fair, everyone. Welcome to School Fair! First game, running race. Watch me leave, everyone.
Runners, to your marks.
I'm catching you now. Whoa! I'm falling! Ben, are you okay? I told you I'd win! Jack wins the race! I'm ready again!
Yeah!
I'll never give up. Next game, can knockdown. Here comes my throw. Watch a real champion. Shh, he'll never know. This throw will count. This ball feels strange. You'll never beat me. Watch me beat you again. You'll never beat me. Ben, use this ball. I promise, I'll win. No! Impossible! Ben wins this game. Next game, basketball challenge. Watch this perfect shot. My turn now. Great shot, Ben! The score is 1-1. I'll score again. Catch me if you can. I won't miss this. The score is 2. Final round begins now. I have to win. Ben, you can win. I can do this.
Ben! 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 Ben!
You'll miss this shot.
You did it, Ben!
Ben wins basketball challenge. Next game, bowling challenge. Watch this perfect strike. The score is 1-1. Nobody can beat me. The score is 2-2. No, I missed. You'll slip for sure.
Ah!
Who spilled this water? I'm sorry. Ben wins bowling challenge. Next time, Ben won't escape. Next, Mao, obstacle challenge.
I'll beat you again!
You can't catch me. He's getting ahead. You're not winning. You're going down. Jack! You're disqualified.
Ben! Don't give up, Ben!
Ben wins the obstacle challenge. Next, laser maze challenge. I'm still ahead. Try escaping now. I won't quit. Jack, not again. Jack, this is your last warning. Ben wins the laser challenge. The championship is mine. The championship final begins now. This trophy will be mine. Go! I'm not losing now. You're not beating me. You won't win. I'm not finished yet. Ouch! It hurts. It hurts.
Congratulations, Ben. You are our champion. Jack, this is what cheating leads to. A true champion wins with honesty, not tricks.